So here we are at Amicalola Falls State Park in Georgia. I'm here at not the actual base of the falls, but we're getting there. I'm going to pan up. There's where we are. There's Eli and Carol. I'm going to go up to the top of the falls. And now I'm going to show you what we're doing. There are these stairs. Altogether, Eli will have gone up 600 of these things. They just go and go and go and go and go and go. Oh boy, lots of stairs. I'm almost there. I only have 425 more stairs to go, and then I'll be at the top of this waterfall. That's a lot of stairs. Here's the waterfall again. Remember, you bought one of these.